Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've been waiting for.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Kelsey's Claws, and as you can tell, I can't sing, but I'm still in the running for becoming your nails next top nail artist season 7. So for challenge number 4, sponsored by Glitz accessories and such, it's Vegas baby! Create 10 nails inspired by Vegas with 60% of Glitz crystals. This set is classy, sassy, and opulent. And I thought it was a good time to revisit my portrait work because last year it didn't go so well. So hopefully it goes better this time around. This set is inspired by architecture, gambling, iconic landmarks and people, and of course, magic. It's showtime.
Start by buffing your nail tips. Take tip cutters and cut approximately 3/4 of the nail off. Take your netting and adhere it to the nail using Glitz glue gel and your twin tips brush. Cut off excess and float eye hole gel on top to create a smooth surface. Using gold acrylic on backing paper, sculpt out a freehand filigree design inspired by the beautiful architecture in Caesar's Palace. Create a jewelry-like setting with acrylic and apply the glue gel to hold your red flame crystals. This is inspired by the breathtaking botanical gardens in the Bellagio. Money nails are a hot trend right now, so if you want to take it up a notch, paint the money. You can cut dragon scale glitter to fit into various areas to create a cohesive look. Take pure white, green, and black and mix to create a dirty money green. Use your twin tips brush to draw out the outline of the number 100. Shade the inside and add more outlines. For a realistic look, it's all about shading and highlights. Always check the reference photo for accuracy. Use eye hole gel to adhere the glitter and make sure to pat and press before curing. The Glitz trifecta ensures your crystals won't come off. Step 1. Apply a generous amount of glue gel. Step 2. Float eye hole gel on top of the glue gel. Place your crystals and pushing slightly down. This will create a vacuum-like seal when cured. Step 3. Finish with the precision glue gel. This will seal any rough edges that may get caught. Time for the test. Oh yeah, those crystals aren't going anywhere. Money, money, money! Use majestic blue thinly to create a beautiful jelly nail. After buffing where you want your 3D to go, use 4D gel in passionate pink and creme de la creme and your dual 3D brush to sculpt your Flamingo hotel. Keep your silicone tool and brush saturated with IPA to prevent sticking, then pat and press and keep molding it until you're happy and cure. Use your precision glue gel applicator to adhere individual glitter dots to create a running lights effect. Did you know the Flamingo Hotel has been an 11-year residency to Donny Osmond, who you will see later in the video? The Westgate Las Vegas Hotel is known for its various name changes and where Elvis performed the most. Use Sharpie markers to gently color on top of the crystals. You can still see the beautiful shine. Use IPA to gently wipe off the color and voila, good as new. No crystals were harmed in the making of this video. Cut your tip into 3 pieces and then take fishing line and glue it onto the back of the nail to create a floating effect. Time for a cocktail! A dash of AB Pixies and green diamond pixie dust to enhance the green sparkle. Mix it up. Paint the nail green and then use your 3-step method. Glue gel, eye hole top coat, apply your crystals and your diamond pixie dust, cure, and seal with your precision glue. The precision glue gel is strong and helps these crystals to defy gravity and helping to create that magical illusion. Ain't nothing but a hound dog. It's Vegas, so of course Elvis had to be in this set. So when doing portrait work, it is crucial to always reference the photo. Also thin layers, shadows, and highlights. Elvis and Donny Osmond. Pour eye hole gel onto the saran wrap and use a firm piece of plastic to flatten it and cure. This will be strong but flexible, cut into shape. Use crimson red to spell out Glitz. Starting in the middle of your lettering will ensure it goes straight and in the middle. Use pure white to cover the whole sign and on top of the lettering. Make sure to get into all the cracks. Use 2 coats to build up the strength and opacity. Finish with top coat. Turn the sign backwards and with your e-file, follow the red letters to carve out the word Glitz. Be patient and go slow. On the front side, paint around the carving with red gel. And bling it up. Use your yellow Sharpie to create a flashing lights effect, similar to the real Vegas sign. Use glue gel to attach a light to the back of the sign to amp it up even more. Time to sculpt our showgirls. Make sure to keep your tools saturated and follow a reference photo to create accurate proportions. And if you accidentally push something down, just push the girls back up. If only it was that easy. Use forest green and passionate pink to create her outfit. Vegas showgirls have a massive headpiece adorned with crystals and feathers. It's all about the spectacle and opulence. When sculpting clothing, make sure it falls just how a real skirt would to create a realistic effect. That means wrinkles, ruffles, and shadows. Attach magnets to the bottom of the thumbs and to the back side of the showgirls with 4D gel. Bling up her outfit with crystals and adorn with faux feathers. Add definition to her body with shadows and highlights. Painting her face is like applying makeup, contour, cheeks, eyeliner, lashes, and lips. Ta-da! And there you have it, my Vegas-inspired nails that have the show, the glitz, the magic, and the opulence. Thank you so much, Glitz Accessories and such, for the awesome products and challenge. If you like this set, please don't forget to vote for it to help keep your girl in the competition. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.